Running reports for grants, funders, and programs doesn't have to be time-consuming. In this tutorial, you'll learn how the Case Management Hub platform helps you quickly generate the reports you need with just a few clicks. So let's go over to our Reports and Analytics section. On the Reports and Analytics, you'll have 4 pages: Organization, Demographics, Forms, and Goal Progress. Now in this tutorial, I'll give you a highlight of each page. If you haven't already, you'll also want to view the Custom Reports tutorial. That will show you how to build your own custom reports. Reports can be run by several date ranges. The page will default to the last 30 days. Just select a different time frame from the filter. You can also use additional filters to drill down into programs, clients, staff, and more. Now you can rearrange your reports. You can also make them full page or half page. For any of the bar or pie chart reports, you'll see a handy way to flip between count for the bar charts or percentage for the pie charts. This gives you a lot of flexibility in your case management reporting. All the reports will also have this magnifying glass at the top. Clicking that will give you a larger view of the graphic, which you can export to PDF. You'll also get all the data behind the report, and you can export that to Excel. As you scroll down the page, you'll see a few other default reports. You'll see one for number of clients by program, client count, and task status. If you'd like to export multiple reports, just use the export at the top. Here it will let you select from all your reports, including any custom reports you've made. And as a reminder, look in the tutorial for custom reports to learn how to do those. The next page is the demographics. These reports will run off of 4 default demographics fields. Here on the client profile, you'll see them under demographics. So those 4 reports are running from these fields and the data contained. And as a reminder, you can edit these to reflect your own default options. Next are form reports. Forms run their own reports, which is super helpful. You won't have to customize any reports, and you can run report on any form. First, just select the form you'd like to run the reporting on. What the system does is it looks for any single select or multi-select field on the form. Basically, any questions where there's a multiple choice. And it will chart each of those fields. Just like the other reports, you can flip between percentage or count. You can also click in. Here you'll see every question on the form, including any text questions. The last area is goal progress. You can learn more about goals in the goal tutorial. You'll select the goal you want to see reporting on. You can make client, group, or program goals in those modules. So I'll choose a program goal, and you'll see the reporting will automatically be reflected. Now, when you want to get more text-based or table-based reports, just use the table modules. For example, if you're looking for a table-based tracking report, go to Tracking. Then you can filter down and pull the information you'd like. Learn more in the tutorials for each of those modules. With the automated reporting in the Case Management Hub software, you can easily run reporting based on any of your client data, any of your form data, and any of your client goals.